Good evening, it is Brian at good evening, good morning even. It's Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare Town. I want to show you this car, which is a Toyota Avensis, but it is the 2-litre version. Brian is my name. If there's any information like in this particular car, please do give me a call, 086 843 1945. That's 086 843 1945. If you'd like any information on this car, we can do trade-ins, we can do finance, and we'll say this car will be supplied with warranty, with service and all that kind of stuff as well. And the garage is a family-run business in operation for almost 70 years. So we do brands like Honda, Hyundai and Mercedes and Opel at branches including Kildare Town here, and also Naas, Carlow and Tullamore as well. So anyway, if you do come to the garage, please do ask for Brian, or as we were saying, call, text, WhatsApp if you want information. The car, so as we see, first of all, it is a black coloured car in 2016. It is a 161 car. It is in nice order throughout. It's only just landed in with us, so we do have to go get it into our workshop and get it checked over and all that kind of stuff. So starting at the front of the car, I really like black. Black's a really, really nice colour, and it goes well with the chrome. And for some reason, actually, we don't seem to get many black ones. For no actual reason, just an observation. So I like the chrome, the way it comes up all along here and then splits into the daytime running light, which comes up here and then down through here with the little diodes as well. So a long strip, little diodes in through here. After that, front fog lights are standard on this particular, so this is what's called a business edition. More chrome down along through here, and then after that, as we were saying, that is the 2-litre. So we do also have 1.6s in stock, but this one is the 2-litre, and I do find some guys will say that already have Avensis, they do tend to prefer to go with the 2-litre again because they're used to it. In terms of condition down the side of the car is 2016, so you'd expect it to be very good. So the wing and the doors and all that kind of stuff, they're nice and straight without any denting or anything like that on them. And then same on the passenger side, looks all pretty much dent free all the way down the side. We will get it in and check it out for brakes and tyres. I quite like these wheels. They're a nice kind of off sort of kind of a shadow grey kind of colour. Michelin tyres on the car at the moment, and then moving down the side, same Michelin tyres down to the rear. The wheels look to be in actually very good condition, because normally 17-inch wheel we do see a bit of curbing and stuff on them when they come in, but this one looks all good that way on the passenger side anyway, and that's usually the side that meets the curb. Over here, this wheel, it's only a bit of dirt, so yeah, looks very, very good. And similarly then, this wheel over here, yeah, needs to be cleaned, but it's all very, very nice. So condition of the car, very, very good throughout. Black car, so expect to see a couple of stone chips, which you always will. There's one, but they're quite small, so I don't think it's anything that's going to stop anyone from buying the car. Okay, so let's move around and have a look in the boot to see what's going on there. The car literally has to be cleaned, so we've only given it the quickest of washes and hoovers just to get it advertised up on the internet. The car has originally come out of the UK, FA16 TLY, if you want to run a car history check yourself. But we assure you that it is no accidents or insurance problems or any of that kind of stuff anyway. So, and then obviously we register the car on Irish plates when you buy it. So the car needs to be cleaned, but quite nice and tidy in through there. Nothing I don't think that anyone's going to be unhappy with. After that then, the rear of the car, nice chrome section along the rear, and these tail lights are quite tasty, the way they light up all the way down along through there as well, so very, very nice. After that then, in terms of the inside, so two-tone effect on the door with the child lock back here, electrics for windows, door cards are in good condition. The rear of the car is in good condition, as is the seating, with 3 head restraints, 3 3-point safety belts, armrest in through the centre with a drinks holder, Isofix over here, Isofix over here. And to be fair, these Avensis I find features wise, they kind of sell themselves. The people I always find that'll buy Avensis usually have had one already, so they're familiar with the car overall being a good robust vehicle. Again, the two-tone effect continues on through here, electrics for windows, electrics for mirrors, and then they're electric folding as well. After that then we get a two-tone seat in the front with lumbar support for lower back height adjustability, and side airbags, curtain airbags all the way down through there, and all these doors will have side impact protection beams, and behind the wheel you have things like anti-lock brakes and emergency brake assist, emergency brake distribution, all that kind of stuff as well. And now we also in Toyota have lane change warning, so when you drift out a lane it's going to try and keep you it's going to warn you about drifting out of lanes. So it's also going to have collision mitigation, which is basically trying to brake you if a car stops in front of you. It's going to help you react. Electrochromatic rear mirror when someone drives up behind you. In through here then we have our USB connector and all that kind of stuff down through there, and sliding armrest. Gears are 6 forward with a nice big chunky gear lever in through there. Little bit of an area that you can hold your phone and things like that down through there. Heating controls are dual zone, so different temperatures on each side of the car, which is displayed up through here. We have the overall setup, which is your general, it's all touchscreen, so you know, general display overall, or things like navigation, or things like, we'll say, the map. Back in through there as well, we'll also have reverse camera. And then all connectivities and all that kind of stuff is in through there as well, so quite easy to use. Bluetooth in through here, and after that then headlights are automated, wipers are also automated. Car's just covered just under about 30,000 kilometers. That's just a tire pressure warning light, so I need to, again as I say, get into the workshop just to see what tires and all that kind of stuff are like. So I'd say when the tires just slightly low in pressure, that's all, so it's a handy warning. Cruise control in through here, and then the trip meter in through the center is giving you things like radio information. After that then it is moving across to our lane change warning. After that then it is general messaging overall, and then all our settings for various stuff is in through there. So nice big easy to use dials in through the center. So that is pretty much it. I would describe that car, if you're looking for a Toyota Avensis and you're looking for a 2 litre, it is a nice black car. I don't see too many black ones around, so I think actually black's quite a nice colour in them. It's classy colour. The car's in nice condition throughout in terms of bodywork and wheels and stuff like that, and the car's in good condition on the inside in terms of the seating and the floors and all that kind of stuff as well. As we were saying, we can take any trade-in that you have, so do not hesitate to give us a shout. 086 843 1945. Call, text, WhatsApp, whichever suits. If you come to the garage in Kildare town, please do ask for Brian. That's me. And hopefully this event is of interest to you, and thank you for taking time to watch. Just as we said, the car will come with a warranty for 12 months, will come with nationwide breakdown assist, will come on Irish plates, and will come serviced as well. And then there's no NCT due on that car until 2020. So hopefully this event is of interest to you. Thank you.